The Yellow Brick Road, a professional touring children's theater company, is at Beaufort Elementary School working with students to perform Oz the Pop Musical Parody. 25 4th and 5th graders are taking part in the week-long workshop, enhancing their theater skills.
They taught me some ways to learn the lines faster and memorize, and they also taught us more ways to use our body while we're acting.
To give more emotion, how to put more feeling into it. Maybe add like a little something more into the play.
I think it helps me with being more dramatic and more broadcasting and thinking in more different and acting ways than before.
The students have been hard at work, practicing for 2 performances. One for students and teachers, and the other for the community.
For them to learn teamwork as a group, working together, memorization skills, which is super handy in school, as well as the arts, but to kind of put these things together and have a cohesive experience that ends up with them having done something so cool and being excited about their work is one of the best things, I think, to see. One
of the professionals is a Beaufort County School District graduate. Her mother teaches in the district, and she's excited to give back to the community that helped shape her.
I enjoy being able to be where I grew up, seeing how much it's grown and seeing the need for the arts and how much that these teachers have done in this district. I think it's so important. I put such a heavy emphasis on what amazing teachers can do for their kids.
The theater workshop was made possible through an Arts Enhancement Program grant from the South Carolina Department of Education. At Beaufort Elementary School, Ron Lokes, Beaufort County School District.